I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually supports Qi wireless charging or has a compatible case. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, put the pad on a flat, stable surface close to the outlet so the cable can reach without strain. Plug the USB cable into the pad, then connect to a suitable wall adapter. Make sure the adapter matches the charger's voltage and current ratings. You're now ready to position the phone and monitor the first charging indicators. You place your phone centered over the charger's coil area. Use any guide marks on the pad to help. If your phone has a heavy or metal case, take it off because metal and thick cases block efficient power transfer. This also prevents heat buildup. Once seated, glance at the pad's LED and your phone's screen. A charging icon or percentage increase confirms a good connection. If charging is slow, try nudging the phone slightly until the indicators stabilize. You should leave the phone on the charger until it reaches the desired battery level and avoid constant repositioning, which interrupts efficiency. If the phone doesn't charge, first remove any case, try a different USB cable or wall adapter, and make sure the outlet works. These simple swaps often fix the issue. If it still fails, restart your phone and unplug the charger for 10 seconds before retrying, and test with another Qi device to isolate whether the pad or phone is at.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.